Hey guys, welcome to Eva. If you haven't seen the first two videos on naturals, the link is down below and on the top right corner. People have seen my previous video, thank you for sticking around. Let's get into the video right away with the founders of Naturals, Mr. CK Kumravel and Mrs. Veena Kumravel. I'm a beneficiary of women entrepreneurship. Future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their own dreams. Irritation is the biggest source of energy because within the irritation lies an opportunity. Disappointments are a part of entrepreneurship, but the trick is not to give up. These were the statements said by CK Kumravel. Let's see what more they have to say about entrepreneurship, especially on women entrepreneurship.
Our first salon in Coimbatore, total 8 salons. I used to go there every month, and my franchise partner, my cousin, introduced to a family who used to spend every month 5,000 rupees. And I met them and I said, thank you very much for your patronage. They said that they want to open a salon in their town in Karur. I said, ma'am, I will do a market survey. Before I could do a market survey, she has identified a place and she called me to Karur. I went to Karur and saw the place. I liked the place. She invited me to her house. I walked in. There was a BMW on the left-hand side, a Mercedes-Benz on the right-hand side, and so many small cars. I told myself, why is this lady wanting to open a natural salon? Anyway, I went inside, met her husband, 2 sons, 2 daughter-in-laws. I told myself 30 lakh loss also will not affect the family. Hello, let me open. I opened the salon. 1 year later, she called me. She said, thank you. I said, for what? She said, this month I have made 50,000 rupees profit. I said, good ma'am, good for you. And you can make up to 2 lakhs. She said, sir, at any given point of time, my house will have 10 lakhs in cash, jewelry and document extra. But for any money I spend, I need to give accounts to my husband and to my 2 sons. This is my money. I can spend the way in which I want. I said, you have made my day. The best fashion statement you can make is standing on your own legs. How many women is there in the house with so much potential, so much talent, so much dreams, which is locked there? So my job is to unlock them and tell them their potential, their talent and their dreams. And then they can live their life like in style. And that's what makes me very happy.
Women and entrepreneurship and this thing, the time that they will have to spend out, any working woman, time that they have to spend and give when they're starting a business is much longer than a working woman, because if you're working, you have specific timings, you probably 9 to 5 or this thing. But when it's your own business, there's no time. You have to be there, whenever you're needed, and so it has both advantages, disadvantages. One is flexibility. You can take off whenever you want. There's, you don't have to be stuck to timings. But on the other hand, you also have to, at least initially, you have to spend long hours, setting up your business, and you are responsible for it. You're risking your money and this thing. So you need to work for it. So all the more pressure on, and especially if it's women, if you have to answer your family, that pressure is there, because if you want to start something, and of course if you have the approval of everybody, and it's good, but then if it doesn't work, then you have to answer your family. And whereas for a guy, it's okay, you can do, and then start something else again. Somewhere women alone, they will say, oh, you wanted to do it, now see it didn't work out. A lot of blame game happens. So that, and another thing is, if you have a family, children, who takes care of them, you have to find a proper support system. I think all this can be overcome if you have a good support system, say family, or you have good people to take care. I think you will always find a way out if you want to do something. And at that time, it is different, but those days, women starting something, most of the time they were working, but not too many were starting businesses. So when you go to the bank, we did not give you so much of attention.
They didn't take you seriously.
They don't take you seriously. And when you say you're asking for a 20-30 lakh loan, they think you're joking. Because for a parlor, they will, the bank manager would think, what, 1 to 5 lakhs is maximum that you would require for a salon? Why would they require so much? You know, so that was the initial this thing. But of course, all that was way back then. Down 5-6 years, all that changed, and today we have collateral banks giving us collateral-free loans to start salons.
Success is simply an accomplishment of your game, but success cannot be achieved at ease. Let's see what Mr. C.K. Kumaravel have to say about that.
Greatest use of life is to do something that outlaws it. Even if there is one person who breathes easy because you have lived a great life. 20 years before, only an entrepreneur can lead a very rich life. The employee cannot lead a rich life. Okay, today an employee can lead an as good a life as an entrepreneur because of the stock options, because of so many advantages what has come, profit sharing. So if there is no necessary that you should take all the risk. You can do very well as an entrepreneur, you can do very well as an employee. Okay, so there is nothing called earlier before if you say only Ambani, only this thing. Today we have got Jack Welch, we have got Narayana Murthy, we have got Azim Premji, we have got so many people. All the employees of Infosys have become extremely rich. Okay, so no more only rich means only entrepreneurs. Rich, even the employees can become rich. That is the change which has happened in the new year. And then technology has made earlier, if you have to become successful, it has to be minimum 50 years plus only you can say, I have become successful. Today, it has become 30. 30 is the new 50. We have seen Sachin Bensal, Vijay Shankar Sharma, so many, Rahul Yadav, so many people who are extremely successful, who are dreaming. And venture fund people are ready to back the money with them. And the technology is a, what you call great amplifier. You can overnight launch the product. If you have a good idea, you can overnight it can reach many people. So those are the new advantage what you have. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody can help you. On the contrary, even if the whole world believes in you, if you don't believe in yourself, nobody can help you. The first and the final word is self-confidence.
By seeking advice from the right people and in the right way, you can develop smarter solutions to problems and sharpen your decision making. Getting tips from entrepreneurs helps us learn from their experience to avoid mistakes they did. Let's hear the advices and tips they have for young entrepreneurs.
One is perseverance. I would say, focus and perseverance is a very important quality that we should carry.
Yes,
and also another thing is, don't be too serious about. Serious in the sense, take life easy. Things keep changing. It's not that if you're doing something, you have to. If it's not working up, have the mind frame to change. Because change is the only thing that is constant. So be flexible to change and quickly adapt to the changing situations. So that's very important. And don't take life too seriously. Be happy. Do enjoy life. Because sometimes we are so caught up doing this thing that we forget to enjoy the simplest of things in life. So I think today lockdown has taught us that there are a lot of things that you can do. Your hobbies are forgotten. Small, simple things that you enjoy doing when you were younger, you've forgotten.
Yeah, ma'am.
So give time for that and enjoy life.
Previous failure has always told me, dream big, start small and keep moving. So now it is only keep moving. See, the journey has to end when the journey will not end. I will pass the baton.
Yes, sir.
And the journey will continue. Okay, we are just running a race. We are all marathon race. One particular stretch I am running. One particular stretch Vinav is running. Another time we will give the baton, somebody else will take it and run it. The race will continue. The race called life has to continue. Brands are built for generations. Today, a person who is done a medical degree means he has sacrificed. A person, A.R. Rahman has sacrificed. A Sachin Tendulkar has sacrificed. A Narendra Modi has sacrificed. A Bill Gates has sacrificed. Success requires sacrifice. If somebody tells you that success is going to come easy, don't believe them. It is not possible. First of all, we should understand success requires sacrifice. But the fruit of the success is so tasty that you want to go through the struggle. Everybody need not necessarily be successful. Okay, everybody don't have to become a music director or a what do you call a doctor or an IAS officer. It requires sacrifice. but it is worth paying that price. Okay. So if you ask me what is that, you can always manage it. Today my wife Veena doesn't know how to cook, but that does not stop us from having a very good food. We outsource that work to our assistants, and they make wonderful food.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in fact we have got more choice.
So
okay, so there is a price and there is a method of managing it.
Yes, sir.
So money gives you choice. Money is beautiful. Money gives you choice. Money gives you choice of what dress to wear. Money gives you choice of what car to drive. Money gives you choice of where you can put your children to school.
Okay.
Money gives you choice of where you can get hospitalized when you are sick. Money is beautiful, but money is not everything. Money is like a fuel to our car. It is neither the journey nor the destination. It is just a part of the transportation system. Lot of people chase money and live their life. Love people. Use money. You got it right.
Okay.
Use money. Lot of people love money, and that is where they get into trouble. And after some time, 50 years, they achieve great things.
Okay.
I know a lot of entrepreneurs who are extremely successful. Money can do little things to you.
Yes,
It can do many things through you. Money can get you a car, it can get you a bed, it can get you a nice house, it can get you a biryani. But 10 plate of biryani, 20 cars, 30 dress, and 40 beds is of no use for you.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, it has got limited validity. Don't keep on going behind money. Don't chase money.
Okay.
Money should chase you. Okay, so my this thing to life is, I tell all my peers and colleagues is, don't keep on chasing money. Use money. One is dream big.
Okay.
Big dreams are for big people. Small dreams are for small people. Rain fills the size of the vessel you carry. Keep a spoon outside, rain will fill a spoon. Tumbler outside, a bucket outside, a river outside, a ocean outside. What is the size of your dream?
Okay.
Don't have small dreams.
Define the size.
Big dreams are for big people. Small dreams are for small people.
Yes.
So have a large dream. That will be my first thing to all the entrepreneurs. Second one, which is my anecdote, one story, I will end it with that, which is this guy, after being very successful, he goes to his school, alma mater, to address the students, and as he is walking in, he saw the same ice cream vendor selling ice creams. He told them, keep 100 of my favorite ice cream. And he goes and speaks to the student and tells them, go and take my favorite ice cream from that ice cream vendor. The ice cream vendor gives to the people, 95 children take, 5 did not take.
Okay.
And he asked them why. He said, no. One said, I have a throat pain, I don't like this flavor. Something they are saying, they said, I want cup ice cream. And he gave in and he gave them the cup ice cream. The moral of the story is, in life, you will get what you have the courage to ask for. Till 40, I did not have the courage to ask for my position in life. I used to really work hard. I used to really learn a lot. I really used to struggle. But I never used to ask for my position.
Okay.
Because I did not ask for my position, the life did not get my position.
Okay.
So in life and selfie, find your own place. In selfie frame, unless you come into the frame, you can't take a picture of you.
Yes, sir.
Same way, life is keeping a frame. Lot of people stay away from the same. No, I will stay back. When you go to the, any conference, go to the first row and sit there. Ask question.
Yes, sir.
Today Akshay is come and asked me that I want to do an interview. I think that is what is making you different.
Yes, sir.
In life, you will get what you have the courage to ask for. So many people, you want so many things in life, but you don't want to ask. Because if you get no means what? No means next.
Okay.
No means next. It is the next person or the next attempt.
Yes, sir.
Failure, rejection, setback, fear, all these things you should overcome it. People who have achieved great things have crossed that. Without crossing, you cannot go to without crossing the second floor, you can't go to the third floor.
Yes, sir. True. We should embrace the opportunities.
On the way to success, it is dotted by these things. Fear, embarrassment, failure, rejection, disappointment, slapping, Okay, all the things you have to go through, then only you can reach there.
Yes, sir.
My advice to all the youngsters is have the courage to go through that. No means next to the next person or the next idea. Keep
Yes,
moving. Dream big, start small, and keep moving. Eventually, you will reach a day called
Yes.
what you call WAF, and that's what everybody should reach. Your
Yes.
dream is your signature. Make sure the entire world knows it.
Yes.
Live life king size. Live life queen size. Together, let us build a beautiful world. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching my video till the end. If you liked my content, please subscribe to my channel. You can leave the comments and the feedbacks down below. See you in the next video. This is Akshay Sanjeevi signing off.